Roland's been keeping one eye on the thermometer, the other eye on the radar, which is very difficult sometimes. Anyway, we could be seeing some storms coming in here.
And sometimes I do go a little cross-eyed. First of all, we're going to be seeing, I think, some near record high temperatures today. So the thermometer is interesting, but when the ground gets this hot and it starts releasing energy in the atmosphere, and there's any moisture at all out there, it starts to lift that moisture and it starts generating clouds, and sometimes those clouds turn into thunderstorms. Here's a live shot that we have right now, friends. This is from the Boise Airport, from the National Weather Service office out there, and just 10 minutes ago, that very dark, ominous line of clouds was not there. So it's moving very rapidly from the south to the north, an indication that the atmosphere is trying to go unstable, and we may indeed be seeing some thunderstorm activity moving into the Treasure Valley later on this evening, or if not, maybe later on tonight. Take a look at the Doppler radar. Here's I-84. So right there is Twin Falls. Mountain Home is located right there. And look at this line of storms that's just erupting and moving from the south to the north. It also appears to have just a little bit of a northwesterly component. This is a piece of energy in the atmosphere, and I think that that has the potential, if it holds together, to generate some thunderstorms here for the Treasure Valley. And I want to emphasize, if we do see any thunderstorms this evening or later tonight, because the air is so dry at the surface, a lot of that moisture will evaporate before it hits the ground, and so that evaporation causes cooling, and that dense cooler air hits the ground and fans out very rapidly, causing what we call microburst winds. So that is a possibility. So if you have any loose lawn chair furniture that's blown around in the past, you just may want to secure that. There's that little cloud, that little burst of shower activity right there that's by the airport, developing that dark line of clouds. And then here we have some more shower activity down by Grandview that's trying to work its way from the south to the north. But so far this evening, looks like weather conditions are okay, but we'll continue to watch that for you. If you plan on going to the game this evening, should be all right. But if we do see a thunderstorm out there, then you may want to head for some cover. Temperature readings, the high today, 99 degrees. Now, the normal for this time of the year is 91. Look at the record, 102 degrees. I'll know what the final high was by around 6 o'clock this evening. We may have topped out with a record high. Nampa is 102. Caldwell is 102. Mountain Home is 100 degrees. McCall is almost at 90 degrees, just scorching heat, courtesy of a trough of low pressure spinning around counterclockwise off the coast. And then we've got this high pressure ridge out here over the Four Corners area, and all of that is just kind of combining to create this conveyor belt of very hot temperature readings that will stick around through Thursday. So it's going to continue to be very, very toasty tomorrow once again, and going ahead towards Thursday. Then I think we get some cooler air that comes in here on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So scattering of thunderstorms in the forecast for us tonight and tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies with a high of 101. Thursday, sunny and 102. Then Friday, we drop it down into the low 90s. Saturday into the upper 80s. It is going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous weekend. All the models indicating very dry air will be in place this weekend. And the mountains will see partly cloudy skies with a slight chance of an isolated storm tomorrow afternoon. Thursday looks nice. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday looks phenomenal up there with temperatures right around the 80s to the upper 70s. So it's going to be a nice weekend. Let's just get through what happens this evening, and hopefully we won't get any big boomers that cause firefighters any significant issues igniting fires and then fanning the flames.
Yeah, the firefighters could use some rain.
Yes.
They just don't
These
need
storms
that wind,
are moving
not
way too fast to generate significant rain once a fire is started. So it's a concern.
Okay. Roland, thank you.